Welcome to the DevCam. The imminent induction of China's J-35 fifth-generation stealth fighter into the Pakistan Air Force imposes new dilemma on Indian defense planners and introduces an air combat paradigm that combines stealth, advanced munitions, and real-time battle networking. This capability leap does not only balance the regional equation but reshapes it entirely. The J-35 paired with next-generation weapons and integrated command architectures, delivers decisive advantages across the three key domains of survivability, lethality, and connectivity. At the heart of this transformation lies the J-35's airframe, engineered to achieve extreme low observability across multiple spectra. The use of radar-absorbent materials, blended fuselage contours, edge-aligned control surfaces, and divertless supersonic inlets brings its radar cross-section below 0.001 square meters, comparable to the United States F-35. This drastically shrinks detection range by ground and air-based radars, especially in the X and Ku bands, which are commonly used in Indian air defense systems. The aircraft's infrared signature is further reduced through heat shielding and advanced nozzle shaping, complicating detection by thermal sensors. Its sensor suite is equally advanced. A distributed aperture system provides 360-degree spherical situational awareness by fusing infrared, optical, and radar data. The internal active electronically scanned array radar offers beam agility, low probability of intercept modes, and long-range tracking. Combined with a passive infrared search and track system, the J-35 can detect and follow targets such as Indian Su-30 MKIs and Rafales from over 200 kilometers without emitting any signal that could reveal its position. The platform's electronic support measures suite can intercept and geolocate hostile radar and communication emissions, enabling real-time threat analysis and targeting. Where the J-35 gains its warfighting edge is in its seamless integration into a multi-domain command and control environment. The aircraft interfaces with Pakistan's National Link 17 encrypted data link and China's Beidou satellite navigation constellation, allowing it to receive and transmit data across land, air, space, and cyber nodes. Inputs from airborne early warning aircraft like the KJ-500, ground-based phased array radars such as the YLC-8E, and electronic warfare units are fused into a real-time, shared operating picture. For air-to-air combat, the J-35 carries up to 6 PL-15E long-range air-to-air missiles in its internal base. Its advanced electronic countermeasures and mid-course data link corrections allow it to maintain track integrity against evasive or jamming targets. During Operation Sindoor, Rafale aircraft attempting to use terrain masking and spectra jamming suites were unable to avoid PL-15E salvos launched by Pakistani fighters from beyond the radar horizon. On the strike side, the YLV-501 modular glide bomb represents a revolution in smart munitions, designed around artificial intelligence-driven target classification algorithms. This 500-kilogram weapon features fold-out wings for extended glide range beyond 120 kilometers and a multi-mode terminal seeker that can switch between electro-optical, laser, or millimeter-wave radar guidance. The AI on board the munition processes target imagery to distinguish between decoys and high-value assets, such as fuel depots, radar arrays, and hardened bunkers. Its tandem-shaped charge warhead can penetrate over 3.5 meters of reinforced concrete, making it highly effective against underground command centers or aircraft shelters hardened to resist conventional blast munitions. This fusion of stealth, standoff weapons, and network targeting enables Pakistan to adopt its shoot-and-scoot doctrine that bypasses Indian forward defenses and disrupts its offensive build-up cycles. Strategically, these developments drive India into a defensive posture. The S-400, while formidable against conventional threats, requires 8 to 10-second tracking cycle against stealth aircraft at close range. In contrast, Pakistan's use of high-speed saturation tactics, such as combining stealth glide bombs with Mach 5 plus CM-400 AKG hypersonic missiles, compresses response times below this threshold. India is forced to expand radar coverage, commit more assets to air patrols, and disperse critical infrastructure, each of which strains resources. The J-35's integration with China's wider anti-access and area denial ecosystem further enhances its strategic utility. Pakistani pilots now regularly train with the People's Liberation Army Air Force, gaining exposure to simulated enemy defenses, electronic order of battle libraries, and real-time data sharing protocols. Joint operations in Gilgit-Baltistan have validated the fusion of J-35 AEs with Chinese HQ-19 missile batteries and cyber warfare units in contested scenarios. These exercises do not simply improve tactics, but they construct a theater-level air denial envelope where Pakistani forces can launch precision strikes, dominate local airspace, and manage escalation thresholds with superior information flow and strategic redundancy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.